Colorado Governor John Hickenlooper is among 10 governors to sign a letter urging all Senate leaders to reject the latest health care bill.
Republican senators are working on another version to try and get rid of Obamacare. Political specialist Sean Boyd joins us now tonight. Sean, you talked to the governor about how this new health care proposal would affect a lot of Coloradans.
And Karen, he told me contrary to Republicans' claim that this would mean more money for states like Colorado, he estimates it would mean at least $800 million a year less money. And 4 Republican governors joined him in signing this letter to Senate leadership.
It is an imperative that all of us figure out ways to control the inflation that we've seen in health care.
Governor Hickenlooper agrees the Affordable Care Act needs to be more affordable, but he says the amendment rolled out by Senators Lindsey Graham and Bill Cassidy is not the answer.
Our belief is that it would cut back coverage, dramatically reduce coverage eventually.
The amendment would repeal many Obamacare mandates, convert insurance subsidies and funding for the Medicaid expansion into a block grant, and give states wide leeway on how to spend the money.
I would hate to be the Democrat that voted against more money for my state and more power and keep the status quo.
I have nothing but respect for Lindsey Graham. I think he's one of the smartest, funniest U.S. senators, but I don't agree with the numbers are coming out of this, and we'll get an objective measurement.
But the Congressional Budget Office analysis won't come out before the end of the month, when Republicans need to pass a bill to avoid a filibuster.
Let's go back to the old way we used to make laws and require 60 votes. The reason we did that in the old days was to force bipartisanship. Neither side gets everything that they want, but that's called progress in many cases.
My friends on the other side are never going to agree to a bipartisan proposal that does anything other than prop up Obamacare.
Speaker Paul Ryan says if the bill passes the Senate, he will bring it directly to the House floor for a vote. A Senate Health Committee is working on a separate bipartisan bill to stabilize the insurance exchanges. Ryan and the president have said they do not support that bill. Colorado's Republican Senator Cory Gardner says he is reviewing this latest amendment, but has not taken a position on it yet. Karen?
All right, Sean, thank you.